National Weather Service in Upland, New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Moriches Inlet, New York out 60 nautical miles. The open waters 20 to 60 nautical miles south of Moriches Inlet to Montauk Point, New York until 6 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles northwest of Buoy 44,025 to near Shark River Reef to near Fork River, moving east at 35 knots.
Oh my God, this freaking Johnny's literally talking
wind gusts 34
about
knots or greater, and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Severe thunderstorms will be near Buoy 44,025 around 4:35 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, small hail, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Now there's 2 of me. This is pretty
The
tough.
current time